Hi everyone! It's a Saturday and it's raining outside. Grabe yung ulan guys. Sa forecast, kuya, sa forecast it says ngayon tsaka bukas. Saturday, Sunday talaga. Pero wala kaming choice. Kailangan naming lumabas kasi wala na talaga kaming stock sa bahay. As in wala. And then I'm gonna show you yung daan. Kasi maulan talaga siya guys. Ayan. Grabe, ang ulan. Pero kaninang umaga, nung gumising kami, wala pa. Nag-start siyang umulan mga 10 AM ng umaga. And then sa forecast, it's gonna last until bukas. Pero lalapas pa rin. Kailangan lumabas kasi wala nang maluluto sa bahay for next week. Wala kaming ibang time. Weekend lang para mag-grocery. Papasok kami dito ngayon guys sa McDonald's. Dadaan muna kami bago mag-grocery kasi gusto namin kumain ng ice cream sa maulan na panahon, no, 'di ba? Kahit maulan mag-ice cream. Medyo malamig pa naman sa labas. So hindi kami magda-drive-thru. Papasok kami sa store. Tapos, order. Tapos, doon namin kakainin yung aming ice cream.
Mom, they have Minecraft, Mom, Happy Meals.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, look, they have a creepy Minecraft.
Oh. Andito na kami. Diyos ko, ang ulan. Pero may papakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo. Yung mga kalapate, oh. Nandyan sila sa ground. Pasok na tayo. Come on, come on. Come on. Let's get in. It's rainy. Grabe ang ulan. Hello. Kayla, dabas ang sisiw. Oh no. Oh no. It's so wet. Basa na yung cellphone ko. We're already inside McDonald's. No. We're a little wet. We're gonna order over here. Yeah. Here. Okay, go order.
Because I'm the smallest in the family.
Busy sila dito sa loob. Okay. Ang daming tao, guys. Ang daming tao, love, no? Kuya is done ordering. Mga ice cream lang yung kinuha namin. Bayad na si Daddy. Busy sila dito. Ang daming tao, guys. There you go. We're gonna wait for our orders.
This is married.
That's nice. We're waiting for our orders over here. Pick up here. Yay! The food is here. Wow! Ice cream for this afternoon. Okay, ice cream time. Ice cream time. Go, Kayla. Oh,
it's heavy.
It's heavy. It's a big one.
So good.
Hold it here.
Oh, nasa busi mong hand. Wow! Bon appetit! Kaon na mo. Nauwi na pala kami guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi medyo na-busy ako kasi ang daming tao dun sa grocery. Tapos, nagmamadali kami kasi maulan pa din sa labas. So, we wanna come home as early as we can. Kaya, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. So, ayun na. Yun yung Saturday namin. Walang nothing special. Lumabas lang, kumain ng itong asawa ko. I-post mo muna, love.
I know, it's the same one.
Kumain lang kami ng McDonald's na ice cream. Tapos, nag-grocery. Tapos, ayun, umuwi na kasi maulan pa din sa labas. So, yun lang naman guys. That's our Saturday. Thank you so much sa panonood and sa palaging pagsuporta sa aming small YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Thank you guys and God bless everyone. Bye!